Alright, we're back here after the weekend. Didn't film too much last week. I'll try to be better about it this week, but where we got stuck last week, Robert's car was cranking. We're ready to start that up. But today, this needed a dipstick because it was all clogged up, and I tried to cut it. I was gonna weld it, get all the stuff out, and get him a new whatever, but it wasn't worth it. I just ordered a new dipstick, so we can really just push this thing out of here and get that dipstick in, because we got an X5M coming in for a Dinan exhaust at 9:30. Me and Tony got this started up over the weekend. We actually got a lot done. We got the fuel cell in, and we got the intake on, the wires all done. I just bypassed the EWS. I flashed the EWS delete file as well. But now it starts. It doesn't run the best, but it does start up. That's enough of that. A bit loud in here, but yeah, it starts up. Just gotta get it running good. I didn't really put a tune on it. I just deleted the EWS on the file, so I gotta tune it and whatnot, but it honestly should be running good with this. I got a different IAT though. I gotta put that in the map, the E36, or get the E46 IAT. I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, let's just see when Mike and Nelson gets here. Yeah. Alright, we got, what's that? Somebody's outside. We got this X5M here though.
Probably us in there.
Maybe us, and it sounds different. Oh no, that's our N54 Sam, I think.
No way.
I think so.
Oh, he's gonna be.
It sounds like it, but we got a Dinan exhaust here. Is that what it is, Mike?
Yeah.
Dinan?
Yeah.
Alright. She's only been in here one time, did some lowering springs on it, adjustable. But pretty good looker. Yeah. She is nice. Alright, here's the stock exhaust here. Where are we taking it from? Is this stock? No, this isn't stock. Is this the M Performance? I guess it's the M1. Pretty straightforward, just taking these clamps off.
Yeah.
Coming from there.
Bolts off.
Yeah, I'm about to take these bolts off.
Big bolts. Then, yeah, pop the exhaust down.
Pop the exhaust, Sam. Want some downpipes now?
No restriction. I'm tired of it.
Has it been good, the MHD?
The MHD's been kicking. She's
Alright.
been
Alright, Mike, what are you working on over here?
I'm working on a recall for some knocking noises.
Big recall for a knock noise.
We're more like a service bulletin. There's a millimeter gap on this new chassis, creating a knock-in noise from the rear axle.
Alright, I'm getting these on here. You gotta put the whole bracket on. I don't put the bracket on for you, it's just bare bone over there. So you gotta put this piece and another bracket somewhere. Oh, this bracket on. Alright, we got the exhaust almost on. Got some clamps on there.
Yep.
I gotta get rid of this thing. I got this all wired up. Got her zip tied back under the heat shield.
Installed the headers.
Got this ground on here. I tested it, it's grounded. Got that running up there with the grommet. Mike is just now fitting these tips. We were told not to scratch them because he powder coated them. So he's taking his time with them here. Yeah, it's going well so far though. A little more than we thought it'd be because I didn't know they had all these controllers and whatnot. But hey, what can you say? Alright, Mike is getting these tips on. They're quite a bit bigger than the last ones. Quite a bit different.
Just a little bit.
The what?
Drop in there?
Yeah. Alright, we got this coming up right by the battery. We're gonna find some switch power hopefully in here to the taillights or something.
Whoa.
And we're gonna put this module somewhere. And that's all we need to do for this. So it's honestly not too bad. And Mike's just tightening up the exhaust. The tips look pretty good. We're gonna take that blue off and see how they do. All right, we got Osen helping now, boys.
Yeah. It's not eventful morning.
Eventful morning, but Osen made it. He's here. He's in a good mood.
Yeah.
He's helping Mike line up the tips. I just got it all wired up in here. Got the module back here. I'm gonna zip tie this stuff out of the way. This is not my wiring down here. Put her on some switch power, and she's working pretty good. See if I can get a little. Oh yeah, we got these spacers in. They were a pain, but our epoxy held on. We'll have to load it up and tighten them
You can
down.
find that torque spec.
Justin's gonna look up a torque spec. What'd you say? The eagle has landed with the blast pipes on. Do another open close. No revs, no revs. Don't touch that gas pedal. Oh, the purple interior. This thing is sick, man.
It is super sick. It's nice.
Yeah. All right, we'll let her warm up, and we'll probably get a clip of the guy ripping it out of here.
Oh yeah.
That'll probably be the next thing. Oh yeah. Sounds nice.
Oh, we forgot to update our friends.
Yeah, we opened the turbo box and it was an M95 turbo, and it's dusty as hell.
Been underwater.
And he asked us, like, do you need the front or rear? And we said both.
Both.
And here it is.
Here it is.
He
front
said,
and
wow, I'll give him one that's all in one, man. Thanks, guy. She's a knocker, buddy. She's a knocker. We were gonna push it in, but we're like, this thing is fucked. Like, the crankshaft is done, the rods are done. There's no sense in trying to push it in. Might as well just, Mike's amazed. Might as well just get her in here under its own power. Alright, we're getting this thing torn apart. Ripping into her. Mike's ripping the ECU out. I'm getting to this side. I'm about to get to the steering bolt. We extracted the AC. Got this line out the way. And now,
drain some shit.
Drain some stuff, get that off. She should pop right out.
Oh, we got a little bearing check here.
Little filter check.
Fuck.
Oh yeah, you can see her there. This one's real bad.
Yeah, I'd say this engine's fucked.
Yeah, we'll see that crankshaft. Oh, so what's happening under here? How's it looking?
So she's full of spider. That's
Full
the
of
first
spiders,
thing.
yeah.
She's been sitting for a while. Actually, not looking too bad. It's pretty clean for
Yeah.
what it is. Beside all these, yeah.
It's
Well,
but
we,
you just
we're
gotta.
draining fluids right now.
We're draining fluids.
We're gonna maybe take these off.
All right.
4 bars to the convertibles.
Yeah.
And we can also. Yeah, that's
We
about
took the
it.
drive shaft off. Took the exhaust off. We
got the
realized
dual
that
double boot.
we got the double boot. Osen ordered this boot, and we figured out it was for the DCT. I got the fuel lines off. We got these off. We can't get the wheels off because we don't have the lock. Classic. So,
And then, yeah, so we're just chilling.
so they're just chilling.
And yeah.
Got the fan off.
Should be able to drop it.
Yeah,
The
should
heater
just
hose
drop
on.
it real quick here. Yeah, heater hose, coolant hose is up there. There's another spider.
For real?
Yeah, it's dead though. Mike's getting scared.
One jumped on me and I threw my phone.
One jumped on my face.
Fuck. I don't like spiders. I'm scared of spiders.
This thing is nice and clean though. I mean, it does have a little oil pan leak, which is wild, but it's been sitting for a while, so. Alright, we're about ready. This side's freed up. I've been working on it. This side's freed up. Mike's been working on it. We both worked on the middle, so we'll see. We'll see. Mike, is everything freed up?
Should be.
Alright, should be. Let's see if she drops down nicely. Alright, bring it down, Mike. Bring it down.
Whoa.
She jumped.
She jumped down. Alright, bring her up.
Alright, ready?
Yep. Is that tire out the way?
Yeah. That's good.
Man, look at those bolts.
What is it? Yeah, the fresh. Alright.
Guess all the way.
Sweet.
I mean, there's more weight in the back. Though. She's
Alright,
out.
how we looking here? Looks pretty nice, pretty new.
Look at the manifold, that's new.
Yeah,
Besides some spider.
turbos look like fresh.
Some spoolie was.
Some spoolies. Everything looks nice, no missing hardware.
PCT.
Everything's real oxidized,
Everything's untouched.
but yeah. What do you boys think? Should we get the oil pan off today or tomorrow?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
It's been a long day.
Is that the big N54 Stomper?
Is that the big N54 Stomper guy? What's up, Tony? What's up, dog?
Looking at all these parts here.
Look at this N54, bro. Check it out.
This looks like a nice piece, dude.
Nice piece.
Come off, put the diamond on.
We put the Dinan on today.
I seen.
Sounded sick.
I saw in the sound clip.
Yeah, it was pretty sweet.
Sounds sick.
And then we pulled this N54 out. Looks nice,
IF.
man. IS.
Oh, yeah, that's it.
You want to pull it apart, Tony, and get to the oil pan?
Can.
What do you think? You want to work today or not really? After
I'm
you
back.
work today?
You gotta work and then work some more.
You gotta work and then work some more, baby.
You can't have
There
nothing
goes
nice
Tony.
in life if you don't work.
Exactly.
And the more you work, more you get after it.
The more you work, the luckier
But
you
also
get.
work hard, play hard.
After engine out.
All right. We got the manifold off, wiring harness. We got the outlets off, inlets off. Got the downpipes loose.
Yes.
And
She's about to get hooked up.
yeah, we're hooking her up and we're about to lift her up, get the transmission off, downpipes off.
Bada bing, bada boom.
Bada bing, bada boom. Alright, you good?
I
Alright,
see
lift
more
her
on
up,
the
lift
motor
her up.
side, dude. More on the
Huh?
motor side.
More on the motor?
The chain.
No, we need to lift it up on the trans side, right?
Alright.
Alright.
Wiggle her, Tony.
Give her a wiggle there, John.
Alright. We're off.
Well, we got a colon.
Oh no. She's about to get messy.
She's about to get messy, boys.
Crank her up, Mike.
Crank that thing, Mike.
Dude, that's a tiny ratchet. He's made a muscle.
Yeah.
She's made a serious muscle.
Pure muscle.
She's out. She's out. She's out for them.
Fluid's coming out.
Yeah, it's fine. She's going in the hole.
Tell him what transmission line it is.
Yeah, what transmission is that, Anson?
That's 7-speed DCT. B&W. Right there.
said I'm him, pal.
There she goes. There goes the flywheel.
There is a flower.
That's what you call there a rear main seal, gentlemen.
Come on, go, 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 go. Come on, Mike, come on. Come on, Mike. Oh, yeah. Starved while we drain the oil. She looks dark in there.
Oof.
Oh, I see it right now. Nobody guessed it. 6. Number 6.
Dude,
What?
I guessed 4. Mike guessed.
I guess 4.
I guess
I guessed 5. I should have went with 6.
I've never seen a 6.
I've never. Yeah, I've never seen a 6. Honestly, yeah. She looks real toasty though.
Yeah. Oh. Jeez.
That's that noise.
Jeez,
Well, we can see the crank from here. We can spin it over.
Let's turn it around.
Turn her around, Mike. You got her, you got her. Oh Tony.
Dude, how did that happen?
Because you
Bro,
were
I'm
encouraged.
stoked, dog.
Are you?
Bro, yes.
Not your O2 shirt.
All right,
Hard to
Tony.
see, I'll see.
You ready?
Maybe hold the stand for Tone. Actually, it's not the bad. Oh yeah, it's not bad.
Good job, Tony.
Good job, Tom.
Oh.
Whoa, what are you doing?
The Harbor Freight fucking fucked me there,
Dude, the Harbor Freight is great, man.
me.
Never had a better ratchet. Look at that. Beautiful ratchet.
Good job, Tony.
Beautiful swing. Take those off. Here's the impact.
Exquisite form.
Impact those off there.
It's a race. It was a race.
All right.
Oh.
Damn.
What's up, man?
What's up, dog?
Hey, Chooch.
Oh. Chooch is not excited to see you, pal.
Chooch.
Sit down. Alright, you can come in.
Come on in, fatty B.
Chooch doesn't like me.
No.
Chooch, that's bad boy, no.
He was just saying happy birthday to you.
Hey, Chooch.
Happy birthday,
Happy
man.
birthday, big guy. Alright, ready? Oh my lord, dude.
Yeah,
There is no fucking bearing.
She's spawning there.
I think 2 pieces. Oh no.
Oh, the metal spot.
Yeah. Crankshaft is duffed. Probably the bed plate's bent. Yeah, I'll send him a picture and that'll be the end of that. What do you think about that?
Came in here and saw him blow.
47,000 miles.
N54 problems.